In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create assets in Figma, a fundamental skill for building efficient and scalable design systems. We'll guide you through each step, transforming your design elements into reusable assets, which will save you time and ensure consistency across all your projects. First, your initial action is to navigate to Figma. Open your Figma application or access it via your web browser. Ensure you're logged in and have your specific project file open. Figma is your primary design environment. Ensuring your project file is open is the essential starting point for asset creation. Once inside your Figma file, your next step is to locate and click on the Components tab, typically found in the left-hand side panel. This panel is crucial for organizing and managing reusable UI elements. These act as master templates. Any change to a master component automatically updates all its instances, significantly enhancing consistency and efficiency across your design. After clicking Components, your subsequent step is to select Assets. The Assets section specifically lists all components available for use within your current file. These are your design building blocks, ready to be placed onto your canvas. Selecting Assets simplifies the process of finding the exact element you need to work with. Next, you will need to identify and click on a frame within your existing design. In Figma, a frame serves as a dedicated canvas or a container for your design elements. It's where you arrange and structure your user interface. Choosing the correct frame is important for establishing the context and placement of your new asset. Finally, the practical application. You will drag the object you wish to designate as an asset directly into the frame you previously selected. This action precisely places your chosen design element within the boundaries of that particular frame. This drag and drop movement is crucial for organizing your elements and preparing them for conversion into robust, reusable assets within Figma. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps, you've learned the initial stages of creating assets in Figma. This foundational knowledge is key for developing a strong design system, ensuring consistency throughout your projects, and substantially improving your overall design workflow. Keep practicing to master asset creation and boost your design productivity.